What's up, Industrial Automation World? I'm Mike. I'm the marketing manager for Scott Equipment Company. Today we've got PATLITE's Daisy Hernandez with us. She's going to tell us more about the LB6 Lima Bravo 6-IL signal tower, why it's such a great product for you to consider. Take it away, Daisy.
Thank you for the introduction, Mike. My name is Daisy, and I'm the technical support engineer for PATLITE USA. We have a new addition to the IO-Link series of towers with the LB6-IL. This tower has 21 colors, a modular buzzer, a built-in indicator light, and half-inch MPT threading. 3 operating modes allow for a more flexible status indication. Each segment can be individually programmed with 21 colors and 10 patterns in each of the 3 operating modes. Simple mode keeps the traditional tower design with individual tier control. The tier height can be changed from 1 to 20 segments, with 4 segments per tier for the traditional 5 tower, or 20 segments for 1 very long tier. Level mode controls a tier based on thresholds. This can be for a filling application or a temperature application. Animation mode animates these segments for a transitional phase, like emptying a hopper or changing a nozzle. Get in touch with the folks over at Scott Equipment Company, and it'll get you taken care of.
Daisy, thanks for that great explanation of the LB6-IL signal tower and explaining the 3 modes that it offers our customers, and also reminding everybody that it is IO-Link compatible. If you have any questions about the LB6-IL signal tower, reach out to your local Scott Equipment Company account manager, or if you have any questions about PATLITE in general, they'd really like to hear from you. Thanks for taking a little bit of time to watch today's video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great industrial automation videos. Thanks.